Hey guys, Dave here. Welcome to Computer Hobbyist. This is Bruce Lee from Datasoft. It looks like it was programmed by Ron J. Fortier and graphics art by Kelly Day. This was a very popular Commodore 64 game back in its day, probably because it's such a good game. However, in the current retro groups, it's not talked about very much, which is a shame because it's actually a nice game. So let's take a look at it so you can see how it is. Alright, you're Bruce Lee, and you have to get all the lanterns on the level. Problem is, you got a ninja and some big fat guy that are constantly attacking you, so that makes it difficult. And there's also hazards you have to face and so forth. Yeah, let's just get away from that guy. Oops. Alright, let's go over here. On the bottom of the screen, in the center bottom, that's the entrance you'll use to get to the next level. It'll open up once you've taken all the lanterns on this level. Alright, let's get back to the previous screen so we can exit this level. I think we got all the lanterns now. Yep. And you see on the bottom it opened up, so... Alright. Yeah, these guys just won't leave you alone. Oops, they killed me. You gotta watch out for these pins next to this whatever you're taking up here, because those will kill you if you bump into them. Only got 2 lives left. I used to be really good at this 30-some years ago, but in my old age, I don't seem to be nearly as good at it as I was when I was a kid. These little things on the ground here are explosives that go off right after you jump on them. Something just killed me there. Alright, last life. Oops, got killed. Just wanted to show you guys this game because it was a really fun game that I liked when I was a kid. It's still pretty good. It's a nice platformer. Have a good evening.